Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there today? I hope you're having a great, wonderful day today. I'm back, guys. I'm back. I hope you guys are having a great day. Alright, now, I'm here right now on this page that I need you to go right now. Before we do anything, I need you to go right now. Click the subscribe button, okay, on this page. Click the notification bell so you're notified every time I upload new videos, okay? Alright, now, as you can see on this page, it says Cash App, right? That's the other thing I need you to do. I put a link below in the description. Look in the description. I put a link below for you to go right now to your smartphone, download this Cash App, and you will receive $5 right now. That's correct. $5 for downloading the Cash App. If you've never downloaded it before, you will get $5 right now, okay? So I put a link in the description for you to get that. So go ahead and do that right now because this is one of the methods in which you can get paid by these opportunities I'm getting ready to speak to you on. And I've been using it quite a bit, as you can see right here. It also has a debit card. You can request that once you sign up. It is free. Okay, it is free. It's a Visa card you can use anywhere that Visa is accepted. Okay, you can take cash out. You can actually use it to purchase anything. Okay, so go ahead and click that link in the description to download this app and get $5, and we're ready to rock and roll. Now, what I'm going to show you real quick, guys, is this is for my folks that I always get these calls all the time, and I want to help you guys out. I talk to people about this on the phone, so I want to come back and talk to you guys about it. Some simple ways. Let's go back to the basics for people that want to make $100. Okay, they don't have a lot to invest, but they do want to get started in a home-based business opportunity. They know we're doing it. They see we're doing it. Okay. So we're talking about $100 commissions. Okay, I'm going to show you a couple programs where you can make $100 commissions over and over and over. To be frank, it's going to be 3 programs, and I'm going to show you that I've been using. One of the companies has been around for going on 3 years. The other 2 companies I've been a part of since last year. So these aren't new programs. I've been promoting these for months. Okay. So I just want to focus on these today, though, because again, people want to make $100 over and over, and they have a little money. So we're talking investments no more than $150 to get started. Okay, so these are the ones we're going to talk about real quick. So let me go over, and I made some quick notes. Hang on a second. All right, let's go over. Hang on a second here to my notes. All right, here we go. So, you've downloaded that app. If you haven't, you want to do that before you start any of these opportunities. Point blank period, okay? So, you're going to get $5 immediately. I'm going to put the link below in the description. So, we're going to talk about, I want to show you what I'm doing, though. I'm actually using, this particular video is talking about how I'm using Press One Cash, the SMS texting system, to promote these $100 programs, instant pay programs. Okay, I'm using Press One Cash. I put it in ads. I have it on postcards. I have it on drop cards. I have it on sticky notes. This phone number, I'm promoting this phone number, and when people call this number, I want you to do it so you can see how I have it set up. When you call this number, it's going to text you my website, but what it's going to do is it's rotating. I have it in a rotator, and it's rotating the copy paste ad system. It's rotating the instant cash solution. It's rotating Easy One Up. Okay, so by using this system, Press One Cash, I'm promoting 3 opportunities all at once. How about that? Okay, and each one of these programs pays $100 over and over and over and over. Okay, now let me show you what I'm talking about. So let's look at one of the pages here. Hang on a second. Okay, this is one of the capture pages, okay, that I'm using. So they call the number for Press One Cash. It rotates. This is one of the pages, okay. Here is the other one. There's another page I'm using. So these are captivating pages, guys. When people call the number, they hear that they can make money. That it texts them. They press 1, it texts them the website, and it rotates these. All of these are rotating. Okay. Here's the other one. Okay. This is what's happening, and I'm going to show you this actually works. Okay. By using Press 1 Cash. Okay. Press 1 Cash is one payment of $297. It pays me $200 over and over every time someone purchases Press 1 Cash with a 1-up. Okay, your first sale will be passed up in Press 1. Then after that, you keep all your $200 payments. And again, I'm using the Cash App. Okay, the Cash App is the key right here. Using this to receive the payments. Okay, so let me show you. Okay, let's go over to my email, and I'm going to show you. I just started this deal going, and I'm getting these opt-ins. So check this out. Covering up some information. I don't want to display people's information, but I want to show you this right here, guys. Look right here, 79 opt-ins for copy paste ads. Okay, it's coming in from what I'm doing. That's leads. Okay, that's going into the back office, and I can email these people. I can send out a broadcast to these people to get them moving. Even though the autoresponder is sending them messages on my behalf, I can reach out to them. Okay, so what I'm doing with Press 1 Cash is working by promoting a phone number. Okay, so that's copy paste ads. Okay, these are some results, and let me show you the other one. Okay, here's Instant Cash Solution. Okay, 13 have opted into that one. Okay, so I have the capture page set up for copy paste and Instant Cash Solution. I haven't set it up for Press 1. I'm kind of just testing it right now. Okay, but I'm just showing you that this works. That's where these opt-ins are coming from me simply promoting this phone number right here. Okay, and I can show you how I'm doing it. I also have some ads out. Okay, so I've got ads, I've got postcards, I've got sticky notes, I've got drop cards. Okay, all these different things that I have out here. Not to mention, I have videos. Okay, I have an email list I'm sending these to. By creating that for you that say, hey, well, I don't have a list. Well, guess what? When you start pushing traffic to your capture pages over here, okay, you're building a list. When people enter in their information, you're building your list. And with these, all three of these programs, you're going to have a list of phone, like with the Press 1, you're going to collect phone numbers. Now, there is a marketing system you can use for that. We'll get to that later. But with these two capture pages I'm talking about, as people enter their information, you're able to go in the back office of these systems, and you can email these people. You can reach out to them, okay? So Press 1 Cash definitely works in helping you with that. If you have a primary business, you can direct this number to go to that website. Whatever you have. If you have a business already you're working and you love that, wonderful. You want to get Press 1 Cash to help you promote it and get it out there. Because all you're going to do is share this number, and when people dial it, they'll go to your website. Okay? But as I stated, I'm rotating Press 1 Cash. I'm rotating Easy 1-Up. I'm rotating copy paste ads, all by promoting this number right here. And when I get paid, it's going to be in this Cash App. Okay? And I've showed you guys payments. We just had a $500 payment came through the other day. So these things work. I've been using them for months. Okay? So go ahead and download that Cash App right now and get you $5. Go ahead and click the subscribe button to subscribe to my channel. Click the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos. But this is the way to go, guys. If you're looking for something right now where you just, hey, I got $100, I got $110, these are the programs you want to look at. And again, you can get started for as low as $110. So let's go over that real quick. Hang on here. All right, let's check it out. All right, so Kappa, copy paste ads, is $149 to get started. You get a marketing system and everything. All these come with a marketing system. Okay, ICS is only $129 to get started. Easy 1-Up is only $110 to get started. Okay, even if you can't do Press 1 today, you can start these programs, and I can show you how to get the ball rolling, posting ads. I can give you some ads to get you going so you can start getting these $100 commissions. Okay, so but that's one of the methods I'm using and how I'm using Press One. There's so many ways you can do this. It's unbelievable. But I want to give you the bare bottom basics. Download the Cash App. Get you $5 today. Go in, pick one of these programs. Okay, let's get you started small and don't overwhelm yourself. Just pick one of these. Come, either it's 110, 129, or 149. It's up to you. Okay, they all have marketing systems, autoresponders, so you can get going. Okay, so just pick one, get going. I've got a great bonus for you. I'm going to give you some leads to get you started. I'm going to show you where you can put some ads to get started. Let's pick one method, okay, to get you going so that you're not overwhelmed. Whether it's the drop cards, whether you want to do the postcards, let's pick one method that you're comfortable with. If it's Facebook, if it's Instagram, I even have a free Instagram course. I'm going to put that link below for you too. So it's different ways you can do this, guys. So let's get you on board today promoting this thing, okay? So again, download this app right now so you can get $5. Put it on your phone. All this stuff can be done from your phone. It's that easy. It's that simple, all right? So with that being said, guys, that's all I've got for you today. Get started making these $100 commissions. Very reasonable to get going, okay? I look forward to working with you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell, and I'll see you guys on the next video. You guys have a blessed day.